Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious bolognese sauce with spaghetti. Please help me to share and watch till the end. Thank you. I'm going to boil the tomatoes. While it is boiling, I'm going to start with the frying added onions. Now I'm going to add the minced meat and I'm going to stir fry actually, and thereafter add some carrots and bell pepper. You can use any bell pepper of your choice, is fine. I didn't see the green pepper, so I decided to use the yellow and red one. So I added seasoning, salt and bouillon powder. I'm going to stir, make sure that everything mix and blend together. So now I'm going to add the tomatoes that are already cooked and of course stir together. I also added a little water and also some basil leaves. That's some dried basil right there. You can also use fresh basil, it's fine, but I didn't see fresh basil on that day. That's why I decided to use the dried one. I added salt and then I'm going to stir and cover to let cook. The meal is very easy to prepare and also very delicious. I really love it and my kids too. So as you can see, it's looking so good already. I added some paprika powder and black pepper. It is very important to add black pepper to your sauce because it gives it that taste, that unique taste. So I'm going to boil my spaghetti, and while it is boiling, I'm going to let my spaghetti keep cooking. Okay, and as you can see, that's it. The spaghetti is ready with the sauce. Thank you guys so much for watching from the start till the end. Please help me to share the video, like, comment, share, and also follow me on all my social media platforms with the name Mama Triple N. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.